Welcome! In front of me I have Xplora X5 Play, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Xplora app on the iPhone that is paired with your watch. So let's find the icon and tap on it to open the app. In the app you should see the devices page, and on this page you should see your watch right here. Now scroll down through this page, find the option called Remove Watch and tap on it, then tap on Remove and tap on Reset. The watch will disappear from the devices page and it will reset itself to the factory default settings. It will take a while for it to start, but after a couple of seconds it should start resetting itself. So let's wait. And here we have it. Now it's resetting to the factory default settings. It takes about maybe about a minute for it to reset, even shorter I think. It's almost done, as you can see. Okay, and once you see the list of languages, it means that the factory reset is complete, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.